Hello viewers, welcome back to the Indoor Outdoor Gardener. My name is Cynthia, and in this video I'm going to be covering growing lettuce Kratky style. And what I wanted to do is I started some lettuce seeds in rock wool, and I'm going to be transferring the little seedlings into 3-gallon Rubbermaid containers. And so I just wanted to show you before I do that procedure. Back here I have some that I have transferred into little container from the supermarket where you get when you get your fruit, the watermelon, cantaloupe, honeydew melon, pineapple, and I put those in that container a few days ago. And because it has roots, it has a little root, it's starting to drink the nutrients, and they are growing. And I plan on leaving those. They're red romaine lettuce that they're seeds from the seed collection, lettuce seed collection from Kratky Home and Garden, and they seem to like it. And I took a look today, and I think I'm going to have to put some more nutrients in, and I think that I'll take a look at it after I put more nutrients in, and I might have to transfer those into a 3-gallon Rubbermaid container for the duration of their growth. And I'm also going to be putting those lettuce, which is a red sales lettuce, and some arugula. I have quite a few things that I'm working on, and I'm just trying to decide what kind of containers I'm going to put them in. And I have a little area right now. I have this plant stand that I'm using, and I have an LED light. So it pretty much, I might have to add another level to the plant stand. I have the LED lights at the top, and then I have the seedlings on this row, and then down at the bottom I have a golden zucchini, and I have a white wonder cucumber. So anyways, when I come back, I'll show you, because I'm going to have to rearrange these shelves. I'll show you the results of putting the lettuce into the Rubbermaid containers. But this zucchini, pretty much since I put it in the Rubbermaid container, it's a 3-gallon, it seems to really love it. And it started off in a 1-gallon milk jug, but I had to keep on putting nutrient solution in. And so anyways, I'll be back with you in just a bit. Okay, I'm back, and I have some of the lettuce that I had put in 3-gallon Rubbermaid containers and 1-gallon milk jugs. And this is in my plant stand. I have some T5 lights in it, and let me just get a little closer. Okay, so right here in this container I have red salad bowl lettuce and butter crunch butterhead lettuce. Over in the milk jug I have some Siamese dragon lettuce, and usually it's used for stir fry, but it can be used to put into salads. Down here I have some more. Again, in the milk jug I have the Siamese dragon lettuce, and in the Rubbermaid container I have prize head lettuce and some more Siamese dragon lettuce, which it seems to be doing really well. And I'm going to move over to my plant stand, and back here I have some red romaine and some red sales lettuce, and then in my little container that I purchased fruit from the supermarket that I spray painted black, I have some more red romaine lettuce. I have some other things growing, some more lettuce that haven't germinated yet, and some garlic chives, some arugula, and this is the arugula right here, and that's slow bolt, arugula slow bolt. And so I have some other lettuce that hasn't germinated yet, but I am very determined that I'm going to be able to have salads all winter long. So this is the update from putting the lettuce in those 3-gallon Rubbermaid containers. I believe that that's where those lettuce will stay, and it's enough nutrients in there that will be able to last its growing life. So that's it on the lettuce. I'll be doing an update in about 7 days. So until then, blessings.